So I'm doing a stream today because, well, I was supposed to release the article for part 15 of the Metroidvania series last week when I recorded the main bulk of the content for it in a stream. And then I realized that there were some issues with the content. So I'm gonna touch up the project files a little bit because I didn't have time to test the implementation, and I got some of my interns to test the content for me, and they came up with a couple of things. So I'm gonna spend this stream, hopefully it's gonna be around 2 hours, 1.5 hours, and I'll fix all of this stuff. I just realized as well that my chat is disabled, so let me just re-enable that so that I just check through my screens. Music's a little loud as well, right? Just turn that down. Alright. So I better go and turn on the chat sound as well, so if any of you drops a message, I can at least hear it. It's basic courtesy, right? Let me just turn on the chat box sound. So I'm just gonna pull up the list that my guys have done for me, and we will see where that gets me. So the first bug is that player's health increases like crazy. So I've got everything working with the save games and everything. Really excited about this. I still am. But there were also a couple of issues with that. So the first thing is that the character's health increases by a lot when we're saving. So let's check that out. I think it's probably just a small coding error that I've got to fix. Right here, where is the players? Here, right? And where are we? Player health, where's the health? Health goes to 104, that's just a little bug we've got to fix with the player character. It's just like the health. It's probably a little typo somewhere, a bug somewhere that's it's something to do with the clamping of the value. Health. Rest. So when we rest here, right, I'm looking at the health increasing by 99 points, and which is actually totally fine, but the clamping here just has to work properly. And I think what has happened here is that I've probably copied the wrong script. Let's get the player character. Oh, the previous part, a few months ago. Like how's the script like here? The hell? No. So the formula for the health setting is wrong, then I'll have to fix it. There's a little bit of problem here, huh? This shouldn't be this health, excess health thing. Value, excess health. This causes a problem with the blue health actually. FF, right?
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights
So
from
this should be
Singapore
excess
to
max
anywhere
health, right?
in the world.
The
Don't miss
plan.
out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Is there an excess max health? Okay. I can't believe there's this silly little bug here. It's a small bug, but it's somewhat annoying, right? Excess health. Where is excess health? So there isn't a limit to the excess health, so I can't do it. Right? So this is actually from the previous part, so I have to update the previous part here as well. For health and mana. Yeah. It's only one script. Isn't there a section where it's set health? Anyway. Yes, there is access. There we go. It's this part here that I have to change.
What? Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals. Serious?
So this
My
is
cousins get this
the
extra
issue.
book to Bali for
The
so
clamp
cheap,
is
yeah.
fine.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Clamp seems to be fine. Actually. So the code was still fine here, but the code ran into some issues. Part 14. Because we added excess help, right? Excess. And that's what causes the problem. So here this is math, F, and clamps the health, gain health, max health, that's fine. New poster.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So I'm gonna make a post about bug fixes for part 14. Part 14. Yes. Yes. Try this. This is part 14. Can't believe I missed this one, you know. It's a very crucial error that I've made here. Because this should be clamped. And the excess health section shouldn't be a clamp, it should be just this. So probably I made a change somewhere and I just made this big mistake here. Which is really bad actually. It's really bad. Green. Basically, we've got this. And I'll have to do the article here. Hold on.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
So there was no change here. And no change here. Okay, so now let's go back to the part 15 article. We have to reflect these changes as well. It's just it's what a silly little typo, right? Fairly annoyed by that. So I have 5 player control.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too.
It's 5 of them
Find
to
great
update.
deals on flights from Singapore
Update
to
in.
anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip.
So this shouldn't be max.
Grab a flight and take off.
As we have
Book your
seen,
flights
it
now.
should be- Let's look at this. It should be clamp. What a stealth change. This should be max value and 0 or 0 and value, whatever it is. Same thing here. Clamp should be max. How did I even get this section? What a typo. I'm just glad I found it before released the other part, because this issue would have compounded so much. Hey, CRVSHAS. I don't know how to pronounce your name, but hi. I'm sorry I missed your message. I think the ring didn't come through. Let me just double check my Streamlabs to see why that is the case. But thank you for asking. I'm doing well. It's a little late here, but my hair has grown out a little longer. I really like how it's going over my face. No, that was random. Where are my chat notifications? They are not firing. So something is going on here. Let me see why the chatbot isn't. Maybe I just missed it. Maybe the ring came out, but I didn't hear it. It's possible. Or maybe it's just the full screen chatbot it's there as well though. I'll just check it from time to time to just make sure that chat messages are responded to. I'm so sorry if I missed your message. I was pretty sure that that there would be sounds coming out. Hey, you know what? Since we are at this, I'm just gonna try and set up a new
Yes, Agoda has great deals on
chat
flights too.
notification actually.
Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Trigger and threshold. What's that? Okay, I've reset the chat notifications. I hope that I don't miss any more chat messages. I'm so sorry I missed yours. Probably gone now. So this one is fixed. Max health. This will be fixed. Oh dear. That's clearly the wrong text. Health. So the health issue should be fixed now. Let me just do it in my own code as well. Public integer health. This should be clamp max health. So with this clamping in place, right, I shouldn't get any more issue where I save and then my health skips right above the maximum. It should stay within the range, and that's the first issue fixed. Save again, and character should stay within, should stay just right here. Where's the health? Health is now 5. Fantastic, it's fixed. So let's look at the second issue here. Load save game that saved previously when creating a new game. So the save system has a little bit of an issue here,
Book
right?
flights with great deals from
Loading
Singapore to
save
anywhere
game.
with Agoda.
Loading the game that saved previously. Shade doesn't spawn. I've got to figure out what's causing the same game to be loaded and when. Because I'm just gonna try and delete a save game now and see what's wrong with it. This is a bench save system issue. So like say if I go back to the main menu. Actually before I address this, right, let me just figure out a suitable animation for the resting. I've got to write that into the article. That I think is the more important thing to address first. Then we can make the other modifications. So there is player sit, and right now it goes from idle to unsit, and so only when you're idle you can sit, which means if I jump and I try to sit, that wouldn't sit too well with look at that. So I'm trying to create bugs. Just trying to do a split on the bench. Hi Kane Dog, nice to see you. You like my new hair? It's more floppy now. How's your project going along? You're working on a farming RPG, right? How's that going? Is everything good? Done. So glad I fixed the part 14 bug. Rest. Getting a rest, getting a rest. This should be part B. You're working on a skybox. You mean like you're painting a new skybox? Is that what you're working on?
Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Where is my edge window? It's right here. Rest. Rest. The lighting system in Unity has gone through quite a few changes. I haven't looked at lighting. I'm gonna have to very soon because I have to run a class on that. But I remember in the past, right, if you had just rotated the directional light, it would have created the day and night cycle. I'm not sure if it's still the same because now we have real-time illuminate. What do you call that? Real-time global illumination, right? And that changes the formula quite a fair bit. I'm just gonna see whether I can change the text shadow and make it more intense, because it's very hard to read the text, I think. And no other font settings though. What if the background here is white? Let's see. Old school. It actually looks pretty okay here, right? Okay. Chunky. Twitch.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore
Let's
to
try
anywhere in
some
the
new
world.
fonts.
Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off.
You can give it a try.
Book your
Just try
flights
rotating
now.
the direction light in the scene, because that is supposed to create a day and night cycle. It's a little known thing. You don't have to play around with too many settings, because Unity is designed to create a day and night cycle for you. Let me know if you don't know what I mean. I actually I can jump into a new scene and show you what's going on. Rest function. One of the things that yeah, the stars are not in Unity. You're right. So you have to change the skybox, I think, the stars. Yeah, that's pretty complex. Yeah, so Unity only has everything turned dark. Yeah, you're right. It doesn't do clouds as well, right? You can't see clouds and stuff. So that is the other thing that is difficult to do. So where was I? So I've got also add a couple of conditions to the rest function, actually. The rest function. Right here. Set player to be invincible. I've got to make sure that the player cannot rest when at certain states. Wow, that's one hell of a weather system, but it's cool. It's a lot of work, but it's cool. You know, when I was a student, I struggled with creating rain. That's all the way, that's 15 years ago. I was trying to add rain to my cutscene, and after a while, I was like, damn, it's not gonna work. Ran out of time, and I just had to submit my assignment. So I gave up on rain, creating rain. So what I'm looking for here, right, is just to ensure that player isn't moving. Player moves, okay, still fine. Jumping is fine as well. So, what are the states? I don't want the player to be able to jump onto the bench when he's jumping, dashing, recoiling. Healing. Let's play able to heal. Why do I have a penalty here? Yeah, rain is very annoying. Hi Jililo, I hope I pronounced the name right. I'm good. It's a little late here. I wish I was sitting on my bed watching a show, but I've got to fix this because this has dragged too long, and I want to release the article at least and release the project files. So I'm looking through the files here. I'm trying to fix the errors that I'm finding with it, and my character's mana just suddenly decided to halve itself, and I can't heal, so I think that's a problem, you know. Can't right click and heal. Why is the mana having a penalty here like this? What a bug this is. Mana penalty 0.5. Has it always been 0.5? Has the character played died before? And why can't I heal? Heal is right click. That was how it was assigned. So the mana penalty here is 0.5. It means I have a shade somewhere, which the game manager says I have no shade though. There's no shade prefab. Yeah, that's why. Let me get it fixed. Should be a save as the shade prefab on my canvas. That is the UI prefab canvas.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
So there isn't a shade scene, but let me just clear this save later on. Let me just fix the saving the rest. Then we can figure out why the player is not able to cast spells. This player can cast spells here. Player can cast spells here because there's a couple of abilities enabled. Oh, because I have full health, so I can't do it, right? There you go, that's why. the healing is working fine. Let me just get the resting to be more working more properly now. I don't want to be able to couple of conditions under which I don't want to be able to heal. And these conditions are number one, that I don't want to jumping, dashing, recoiling, healing, casting, cutscene, or alive. Alive is fine. So it's gotta be alive. If okay. So if I'm jumping, dashing, healing. That's 1, 2, 3. Casting, cutscene, dashing, healing, jumping, falling X, falling Y. If any of these states are there, then we return. So that reduces the amount of monkey business that we can get into, and then we can allow ourselves to have more contain a set of animations.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So a whole bunch of states here. Okay. Let's test this out first, actually. So no wonky business with the animations and whatnot. Let's get the player to only be able to rest if he's walking or idling. Only when he's walking. So jump, I don't want the player to be able to go in front of when he's jumping. Sitting and sitting. the rest function keeps getting expanded again and again. String animation parameter. This is post. Meaning stream. Now where is the I spent some time drawing this sitting animation by myself. It wasn't difficult. A little bit of Photoshop magic.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss
So
out
the
on your
night
dream
actually
trip.
could be much
Grab a
more
flight and
optimized.
take off. Book your flights
We
now.
actually use the night could be much more optimized if we used what I add. Look at the optimization here. 62%. This is totally replacing the original file here then. Sitting animation. The sitting use and which of the frames I was using, I forgot. So where is the night? Night is nowhere to be found. In the wrong scene. Night cast 1, 2, 3, 4.
or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki. Save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Fast animation is pretty perfect.
What?
Hey, you know or not? Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah. My cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Together.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Move your nucleus thing. Okay.
What?
Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda. Where is my animated? For this.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Then set the chain to Western. Between window. I go.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
5, 6, bench. So long, man. So long. Such a long article.
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
So let's look at solving the save issue. There seems to be saving doesn't seem to always work, and I'm intent to find out why. Let's clear my save, and then we'll reload and see what happens. Let's clear the save, and we'll start a new game. So when I clear the save, right, the save path should no longer have the save. So I'm not sure why does it load. So when I try and hit an enemy, I hope I don't have any mana penalties. So it's the shape problem. Let's have a look at this. See, where is it? Save. It's 1027. Let's get a test.
What?
Hey, you know or not? Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah. My cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Why is the health not updating? Is that a problem with the implementation? Oh, that's health issue, right? Where is the? It's 1027. So everything is saved, and we quit game. don't think the save issue recurs. So if I start on a different slot, there is a problem there. I don't see the issue here, but let's try it ourselves. Let me try and delete a save and see whether the save actually persists. Get a shot here. Save.
You know or not,
Animation is way
Agoda
too
also
slow.
got good flight deals.
Gonna have to speed it up.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Speed up the sitting animation. 4 frames should be nice. So is that what is the save data here? I have one up shot, but the pickup isn't saving. Oh, that's just cause the pickup doesn't have a valid ID, right? Just gotta make sure that they all have a valid save ID. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Oh.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
So we have increased max health here. It really doesn't matter what the ID is as long as it's unique. And I think it can help if we have the ability to prefix or save IDs. And the ability to perhaps you can really actually just give the save ID, give it a name, right? It doesn't really matter. But to ensure that everything is saving, so I have two of them now, and if I clear my save and reload this, what will I get?
Ow!
Hey, you know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
No currency. I think probably my version of Bench has fixed this. I'm not sure whether the version is the latest one. Shade doesn't spawn when the player dies. I think it's just because I forgot to assign new shade prefect, or to reassign the shade prefect when we update the code. Great. Updating the remember to
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
I can just get myself killed and see whether it spawns a shade. It's pretty important, I think.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Now the shade is spawned. It's gonna quit the game. And the shade should still be in the same place. There we go. So one more problem that we have, right, is that if we actually respawn with shade, the mana penalty doesn't show up. Let me just get myself killed, sure. Respawn here. Oh, the guy just disappeared. I think there's more testing that I need to do for this one. Firstly, I just want to fix the issue with the mana penalty. Shouldn't I have mana penalty when I respawn? Because it's not applying. There you go. No mana penalty on that. Why is that the case? Shouldn't I have mana penalty?
What?
Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
So there should be a shape in the scene, but this isn't working as well. Where is my shape? I think I'll just release the project file to this one. And then there'll be more bug fixing I'll have to do for this one. Let me add benches to the other two levels. Bench is perfect. Let's head over to cave 2. Let's drop a bench somewhere here. Huh? Drop a bench here. And also a bench wait, cave 2 bench needs an ID as well. So
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
you just head over to Patreon and put project files here. Anchor here is 1.9. Supply this across the benches. And I'll test this further. This requires much more testing, clearly.
What? Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
Oh, we actually have a very nice graphic I can use. This one.
You know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Ah, serious ah?
Yeah lah, my ex-colleague's durian buddy flew to Tokyo for half price.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
What?
Hey, you know or not, Agoda also got good flight deals.
Serious ah?
Yeah lah, my cousin's dentist ex-husband booked to Bali for super cheap, yeah.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore with Agoda.
So this is the... I'm just gonna drop this there first. Then we replace that with the video when it's done. Bad URL. Download the project files. This post will be free and include the video. Please.
Yes, Agoda has great deals on flights too. Find great deals on flights from Singapore to anywhere in the world. Don't miss out on your dream trip. Grab a flight and take off. Book your flights now.
Right, attach stuff. New Patreon interface. There, attachment.
know or not? Agoda got cheap flights also leh.
Huh? Serious ah?
Yeah lor. My cousin's wife's yoga kaki save a lot, you know.
Book flights with great deals from Singapore to anywhere with Agoda.
Right, the post is published, so I am going to be calling it night on the stream. Thank you for joining. See you all.